If you want your Prezi presentation to automatically zoom back out to the main overview screen every time you finish a topic circle, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add zoom to overview in Prezi so your presentation path feels smooth, professional, and easy to follow. This is especially helpful if you're building a presentation with multiple topics and want Prezi to return to the full overview before moving on to the next section. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project inside the Prezi presentation editor. Make sure you're working in the editor where you can see your presentation content and access the top toolbar. Once your project is open, look to the top left corner of the upper toolbar and click the Hamburger menu, which is the three-line icon. This menu gives you access to a few important presentation settings, and the one we need is path settings. From the drop-down, click Path Settings. This will open a pop-up window with options for how your presentation path behaves as you move from one topic to the next. Here, look for the first option that says, Zoom back to the overview between each topic. This setting is exactly what you need if you want Prezi to automatically pull the camera all the way back to the overview screen before advancing into the next frame. Go ahead and select that option. Once it's enabled, click Save to apply the change. As soon as you save it, Prezi will update the presentation path so it automatically zooms back out to the main overview every time you finish a topic circle. That means your audience will see the bigger picture between sections, which makes your presentation look cleaner and more structured. This is a really useful setting if you're presenting a lesson, business pitch, training deck, or any project where you want clear transitions between topics. Instead of manually adjusting the zoom or worrying about where the camera is going next, Prezi handles it for you. It keeps the flow consistent and makes your path much easier to manage. So just to recap, open your Prezi project, click the Hamburger menu, go to Path Settings, choose Zoom back to the overview between each topic, and hit Save. That's all it takes to turn on automatic zoom back to overview in Prezi. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. And if you want, check out my other Prezi guides for more tips on editing, presenting, and customizing your slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.